In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from OKX to Trust Wallet. So if you want to do this, you are going to open your Trust Wallet first, and then you're going to click on Receive. So let's go ahead and click on this. And in this tutorial, we are going to transfer Bitcoin. So I'm just going to select BTC in here on the Bitcoin network. And if I want to know which wallet address this is, I can already click on this copy to clipboard sign in here. So let's go ahead and do that. And now it is already copied to my clipboard. And now we can go to OKX wallet to transfer to this wallet. So let's open our OKX wallet now. And from our OKX wallet home tab, we are going to click on the dots at the top left. So let's go ahead and click on this. And then we're going to click on withdraw under manage assets. So let's click on this. And now we can just select to withdraw crypto. So let's click on this. And now we are going to select the crypto that we want to send. So I'm just going to send BTC Bitcoin, and I'm going to click on this. And now I can just select the destination of this transfer. So if you already have an address book in OKX wallet, you can just go ahead and click on this and then select Trust Wallet. And if you don't have it added yet, like I have, then I'm going to click on exchanges or wallets. So click on this. Then you need to slide this slider to the right to continue. So let's do this as well. And in here, you can paste in the wallet address that we just copied from Trust Wallet. So let's go ahead and fill this in here. Click on paste. And then you can just fill in the amount that you want to send. So go ahead and enter something that you want to send. So I'm just going to do something like this. And then if you want to finalize this, you're going to click on submit. And once you click on submit, you need to click on continue again. And then you will in the end finalize this transfer. So you can also see the fees down below. And this is the fee that you will be paying. So this is the amount that will be withdrawn from your account. And down below, you will see the amount that is going to be received. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.